Hello, parents. Today I am going to answer a very important question for you. When your children learn English, why should we teach letters in a new order? When you open the Key Education Foundation workbook, you may have noticed that the first letter your child has to learn is the letter S, and then the order in which the letters are is S, A, T, I, P, N, and so on. It is natural for you to wonder, why is this new order there, and why is my child not learning the way I learned, which is A, B, C, D. Before we answer this question, let us quickly recap how our children learn language. When our children learn English, they learn to listen, speak, read, and then write. For reading, we start by teaching the letters and the sounds of each letter. This is done through a method called phonics. In phonics, your children learn the sounds of each letter and use those sounds to read words. We teach the sounds and the letters through songs, actions, and different games to your children. After the child has learnt the letter, they also learn different words that begin with the first sound of that letter. This helps them understand the meaning of those words, and your children are now ready to read. Your children learn to read by blending sounds. What does that mean? Let's take an example. When the child has to read the word cat, first the child separates each sound in that word and says it loudly. For example, k, a, t. Then they blend the sounds to read the word k, a, t, cat. After the child has read the word, they also connect it to the meaning of the word. This is easy for them to do when they can connect it to a picture. The more reading practice your child gets with many small words and understands them, the better your child gets at reading. Now let's go to understanding our question of, should we follow a new order or should we teach ABCD? Let's take the first 6 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, to help your child practice reading small words, let us try and see how many small words we can make with just these alphabets. If you try, you will see there are very few words that we can actually make. That means your child gets very few chances to practice reading, and your child has to wait till they have learnt all the alphabets and the sounds before they are ready to read. Now let's try a different order. S, A, T, I, P, N. How many small words can we make with just these letters? So many words. As you can see, your child can practice reading all these words by blending sounds and connecting them to pictures. That means your child will start reading faster and will also be happy and motivated to read. Isn't this a much more fun way to do it with your children? So, support the new order of letters and don't worry, because phonics and SATIPN will be a much more effective way to make your children independent readers who enjoy the language. Thank you.